We have a secret, just we three, the robin and I and the sweet cherry tree. The bar told the tree and the tree told me, and nobody knows it but just we three. But of course the robin knows it best, because it built the ice and not tell the rest, and laid poor little something in it. I am afraid I shall tell it every minute. But if the robin and tree do not weep, I will try my best to keep the secret free. Though I know the little birds fly about, then the whole secret will be out. My poems are over. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you.